Okay, let's adjust the camera a little bit. I get asked this question quite often, so it seems I need to make a video about it. And I was asked if you're only able to have a couple prime lenses and no others, what would you have? Well, I broadened that to 3 prime lenses, and here they are. And it's a perfect choice for full frame FX or DX cameras. And number 1 would be the 60mm f2.8D Nikkor. Swiss Army knife of lenses, perfect for normal, perfect for portraiture with a DX camera. Awesome little macro lens, a little bit on the short side for macro since every millimeter counts in macro, but perfectly fine. $200 used. The next lens would be the 20mm f1.8G Nikkor. Far better than the 20mm f2.8. A good bit better than the 20mm f3.5, which is the cheapest tiny little compact lens, but you have to be this one because this one is Nikon's Sharp, even though it's on a G series and you really can't find them used. Price on it's $800. Perfect for astrophotography. Nikon's sharpest 20mm lens that they've ever made, so this is unquestionably the second one. And the third, the reason why I didn't include either the 100mm or the infamous 135 would be that I need something longer. So since it can only be 2 or 3 prime lenses, then it had to be this one, the 180mm f2.8, pure silk, sex, and sugar, long reach, perfect for FX or DX, sublime image quality. It's older D series Nikkor. Still, this is the current production lens. The current production 2.8 looks exactly like this, so this is it. So these are the 3 prime lenses if I was only able to have 2 or 3, so I expanded it to 3. It'd be the 60, well they should be in this order technically. The 20mm f1.8G, the 60mm 2.8D, also current product. All of these are current production prime lenses, and the reason for that is the reason these are all still current production. This is fairly recent, but these are quite old. The reason these are still produced is for the same reason that I've chosen them out of all prime lenses are only able to have 2 or 3. And the reason a lot of you have actually asked that question is for obvious reasons. You know, you don't want to buy a bucket load of lenses. I mean, nobody wants to buy a bucket load of lenses like I've got. And nobody needs a giant bucket load of lenses, and you only need a few primes. So here's the answer: 20mm f1.8G, 60mm 2.8FD, 180mm 2.8D, 180mm Nikkor. And that's it. I thought about that decision quite extensively before drawing that final conclusion, and that is it. Shaky table. Thanks for watching, and thanks for asking that question, so I finally had to answer that video. Thank you.